Hi friends, this is Agnello Rajesh from middle of nowhere in Goa, stuck on a speedboat. And the lovely situation is we are 5 of us on the speedboat. I have got a flight to catch at 5 o'clock. It is at 4:55 SpiceJet from Goa to Bombay. It is 5 minutes to 2 and I think the fuel in this boat is over. Daryl is trying to do some experiments. We are in the middle of nowhere in the water and we are enjoying this situation because there is nothing that can be done but wait and see what Daryl is up to now, and let us see how will he rescue us from this held up situation. So he is laughing like a villain.
It looks
And
like
that he has called these people onto the other side of the island. The ropes are being taken out and there is going to be some action in this calm waters.
We see
his men. He sees many. We see his driver at the other end, and he's removed the anchor. He's removed the anchor. He's making sure we don't go deeper inside, and he's going to throw it. This is live in action. Wow. Wow, wow. Daryl, you just need to maintain the clock of my flight. Make sure that the experiment is not long enough that I miss my flight. And then there are these 3 people who prayed for this to happen and God has listened to them. And this is the Lawrence and Mayo. And wow, it's lonely. It's only we over here. We can see that Konkan Railway bridge over there behind us, but no train which can take us to the land at the moment. So we are in the middle of nowhere. It's absolutely calm and quiet. There's a small chapel here. The boat is moving in all directions on its own. There is a lovely breeze flowing into our faces. There is a slight fear in the heart of the time.
I can see a lovely apartment there.
And
seagulls.
And seagulls making some noise. The boat is changing its face. Daryl is thinking. He's put on his thinking cap. It's green in color today. And
It goes with his new logo and his new card.
yes, and
Green,
we are
green,
and
green,
we are
green.
just wondering what's going to happen next.
And the swimmers on board.
It's intelligent thinking against rocking time. Time is passing by every moment.
Olympic committee.
Daryl is going to try all his stunts and is again going to throw what is called as the anchor. And there, 1 and 2 and 3. Again Daryl has thrown it. I don't know what he's doing. He's done it for the second time. I think it is to pacify us that he's doing something. Wow. This is mysterious. This is hilarious. The only fear factor is missing the flight. And these
Can
3...
you swim? Just a quick question. Can you swim or not? Which is your stroke?
question.
Which is the stroke is your favorite?
Brother Vivek, I can swim, but that is in safe waters of the swimming pool with 4 feet height.
Oh.
So Rajesh is with me.
What about you, Joe? You can swim?
Yeah, I can see.
So again,
We
Daryl...
have got 3 swimmers and 3 non-swimmers.
It looks like Daryl has missed his morning exercise and is using this opportunity to exercise. He's playing with the anchor and we are playing with time. And there he goes again. And 1, 2, 3. There it goes. But what are you doing, Daryl? Are you trying to catch fish with the anchor? Huh? And
I
there,
think if you give it a start, it will reach.
that is Daryl's Man Friday and Man Saturday walking together. And they also have a rope in hand. We have never seen so many ropes together.
Brother Ignello, today is Sunday. A man Sunday is not there. Friday and Saturday has arrived.
This is a funny situation, really. This is a real funny situation, and it's
I can
really mysterious to understand on how we are going to get onto the land. And there is Man Friday removing his shoes, preparing for a walk. Oh, he's unzipping himself.
Don't tell me you're going to pee in the water.
VIP. I think he's following Ajit Pawar's message.
Filling Goa water. Goa is going to get a lot of water this year.
Wow, what a wonderful situation to be in.
We'll try one thing.
Yeah, there, Daryl is trying to start the engine. Let us all pray together. May the Lord protect us, help us, and start this boat. That's the wrong noise. It doesn't start. That's the wrong noise. And Daryl is still processing. He has a quad core processor.
We have a quad processor. Watch this.
And wow, he is thinking onto something.
No, already thought.
Yeah.
Now.
And yes, what are you going to do, Darren? My flight is at 5 o'clock. Please keep that in mind.
On the island,
Yes.
okay, Robinson Crusoe
Uh-huh.
had Man Friday.
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay.
Today is
Sunday.
But I still got Man Friday.
Who's that?
You can count till 10.
Yes.
Vamana!
One. Oh, wow. There is his Man Friday.
Hey,
Hey,
Yata Mara,
Man
John.
Sunday. He's stripped to his
Aman.
knickers and
Mare.
he's going to
Bore deep ha?
swim.
Hey. Bore deep ha?
No, he knows how to swim.
And Vaman is having second thoughts. But I'm sure he's not going to let his boss down. And Vaman is having the thought of his life.
Chol.
Wow, this is what a situation. So natural. And Daryl is also trying to dip his leg into the water.
I'm going to start pedaling now.
Yeah, he's going to start pedaling with his feet.
Do you have pedals? We can pedal. Do you have pedals?
Vaman has swung into action. And I don't know why he looks so far away. I hope he can make it.
Of course. Of course.
That's Vaman for you, my friends. Coming to save us in time so that I can catch my flight on time. And Vivek Singh with the Lal t-shirt is our Sukhlal. And Sukhlal means the man who gives you peace and happiness. Can you look here, Vivek? People want to see you. Yeah.
I'm only
And-
calm and composed. 3 words, calm and composed.
Because his flight is tomorrow.
But you're saying 3 words and uttering only 2.
Yeah, that's it. Vaman coming closer to the action. The rope is ready. Vaman, don't lose faith. We are there with you. Yes, that's it. He's swimming all the way. Wow, this is real live action. We are on reality TV, friends. We are stuck up in the middle of nowhere in the waters. Yes, there. Vaman is making it. Daryl is tying the rope in a very unique way. And by doing this, we are going to pull the boat to the land. And we'll be safe to walk, but we'll have to run. Because of shortage of time. There, Vaman is almost there. Vaman is almost there. This is going to be a sizzling story on the YouTube. Yes.
They're being rescued now.
And these 3 friends of mine are calm and cool because their flight is tomorrow evening, not today. Yeah, that's it. And that's it. Vaman is almost there. He's tired. He's tired. But what will he do with this rope? Well, I really need to understand what's going to happen now.
You look after my violin.
And now Vivek is preparing to jump into the sea. And that's what a man does when he's married and is fed up with his married life. Vivek is going to undress himself, he'll strip himself, what he loves to do. But most of the times it is when he's out of water. Vaman is there. He's got the rope. He's got the rope. He's coming onto the boat. He's tired. He's reached to the boat. But now what happens? The next question is what happens now? We have got one more passenger on a stranded boat. Actually, you should have come with a rope, Daryl, from there.
There is ropes, enough ropes here. Pass me that rope.
Yeah.
No, you expect him to swim back again?
He's got the life jacket inside.
Okay. Give him the life jacket then.
Okay, you sit on Vivek in front.
Yeah, in front. Okay.
Vivek is now going to
Sorry.
drive the boat.
I can get into the water, Daryl, if you want. I'm cool. I'm a good swimmer.
This is to be swimming on the water, Vivek. This is like swimming in the water.
Yeah, it is. I can do it.
Yeah, that's the brave Vaman in action. And let's see what happens now. Let us see what happens now. And there's a rope tied to the rope. But I think we are going a little far away. We are coming close to the island which is not ours.
Let us see
Instead of going
opportunities.
here, we are going there.
Let's look for opportunities here.
Vivek, I think it will be his time to undress. Something that he loves to do. Something that he loves to
Say a
do.
prayer. All the best.
Yeah, there goes the anchor again. For the fourth time. Fourth time. Vivek, I'm counting, it's on record. Can we call the other boat to help us?
Give a life jacket for inside the cabin.
There it is inside there.
Yeah, here.
There's a life jacket.
Yes. So now we are into the life jacket situation.
One jacket.
There are three. We'll need one per woman. And wow, this is quite a situation. That's one required. That's all.
That's all?
Yeah. Waman can wear only one.
हम ऐसा पहनेंगे जाएंगे ना पानी में कपड़ा उतार देंगे and then they'll pull the
Thank you,
boat.
Vivek.
I can swim. I have got no problem. I wouldn't mind this experiment also.
Yeah, yes.
Surely.
Then we can all pull then. 3-4 of us pulling.
But we are gone far away from the shore actually.
Yeah.
This was not
Closer.
so far.
Yeah.
Actually, we are going closer to the wrong island.
We'll make it.
With the breeze, the boat is moving in all directions. And Sylvester is excited. He loves this life jacket. Never
Because I don't
thought-
know. I'm holding the life jacket because I'm the only guy who doesn't know to swim.
He loves and he wants to use it today. That is what is his intention. And our honorable chairman is also ready with a life jacket.
अपने लिए नहीं है. I can manage.
And that's the frustrated married man for you, Vivek Mendonca.
Wait, darling, I'll get a lot of offers.
That's some very serious discussion going on between Daryl and Vaman. And that's it. He is getting into action. Joe, you're blocking the view.
Sorry.
This is going to be a very historical video.
And if I rescue you,
No, you will rescue me. I'm sure about that. It has to be on time.
Mom will get you to the airport also.
Yeah. There, Vaman. Vaman is a tired man. Vaman, next time onward, you should always be ready with a swimming jacket and all.
You can strip down his swimming trunk straight.
Wow, this is real thrill, man. We had read about getting stranded in the sea. We had seen it in the movies, and being in the situation is a very thrilling thought. The only fear factor, again, I would like to repeat, my friends, is my time for the flight. Vivek is enjoying the situation. What he means to say is, this is a better situation than being married. Suhana is not going to love this. So Vivek, what do you feel in such a situation?
I'm feeling completely in control and relaxed.
Pass me another jacket for me.
Yeah, you are feeling in control because there is nothing to be controlled, my friend.
Mind it. I'll lift it. You need to lift that. Put it.
So what are the thoughts that's crossing your minds?
Nothing. It's just we have to get into the water and get into another way of thinking and keep our mobiles and wallets here, and that's it.
So you expect all of us to swim across to the island?
Yes. Please.
That is not a thought which that is not a thought which Sylvester will enjoy. Yeah. That's awesome. Daryl is pulling with the anchor towards the island. Smart idea. So Joe, what would you like to think?
I would like to
Life
say
is
I
always
think-
like this. You can get stuck up anytime. So you need
Absolutely.
to have solutions.
And if it was me, I would not bother about my next flight.
I wish I had your ticket and you had my ticket. Sylvester, you need to sit down and
We
hold
pulled
up.
a fish nylon.
It's got a fish also.
Hey, live fish! Wow!
Hey, wow, that is live fish. By mistake, we got caught in a fishing line, and that's a live fish for you. See what life has in store for you. It is also feeding you with the right fish. Lovely. And with this wire, we can pull ourselves to some extent. Yes, we can. This is really becoming more interesting. Let the fish go back to the water. That's not ours. Lovely. This is a fishing line that we have got. What a stroke of luck. And now we are pulling ourselves towards the island.
It's from the dolphin family.
Where is the fish?
It's there.
Fantastic. We have got the fishing line, and that is the fishing line. Now we will pull it and take ourselves to the island. Yes. Wow. It's maneuvering our direction.
This line is not the one that is stuck for us, no?
There is a fish. There is a fish in the water.
Now can you start it? This is put the key on. And it goes. No. Off.
Any luck on the engine starting? Fantastic. There are more people coming in with additional ropes, but we don't know where to tie them. So, Sylvester, what do you think of this situation? Analyze.
This situation is a very challenging one, but I urge all of you to be calm because we are in safe hands
We are in a safe boat also.
and we are in a safe boat, and this is one experience that we'll remember for lifetime.
It is all about experiences.
It's all about life is all about experiences. And
But not when the experience is with the air ticket in your pockets, yaar.
Never forget a air ticket here. What is
Brother
it?
Vivek, his experience is showing because I'm inspired by his reaction. He's so cool and calm because he's been in many such situations
In
before.
deep waters before.
And he has been in deep waters.
And he loved the depth.
and he loves the depth.
And he doesn't mind stripping to get.
Okay, so
What's the hook up? What's the hook? The back one.
the back one is stuck. Wait, I'll go. Wait, I know that. Okay, hold on my mobile.
So friends, I don't have memory on my mobile, so I'm disconnecting, but I'm sure we will get out of this situation in the next few minutes. Bye for now. This is Agnello Rajesh in Goa, enjoying a surprise halt in the middle of the water on a speedboat. Bye for now.